Yo, 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 what up YouTube? Welcome back to the Nazty Nate channel. Suburban's still sitting, but it snowed a little bit and there's some parking lots with snow. So we're gonna test out the Duramax, maybe Matt's Tundra over here. We're gonna go find some snow to play in and see what happens. I gotta tell the YouTube. All right, my tires rubbed too bad, and I hit the fenders.
You can't turn.
And I can't correct it enough, and then I spin out.
That's a full high engage.
Do you really?
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Enough, you can't drive.
What are you doing, Matt?
Donuts.
Oh, I didn't notice that. That looks hilarious. Ah! So Matt in the Tundra is an absolute savage, sitting on limiter doing cyclones. That is hilarious. We're going to a different parking lot, so hopefully it's a little bigger and I can do some donuts or something without rubbing too bad and see what happens, I guess. That sounds good.
Sounds really good on limiter.
Oh yeah.
I'll just keep it in second.
Should I put it in manual and put it in second?
I'll leave mine in second.
Will it start in second though?
Probably not. It might lock in second.
Alright.
I don't know.
Hold on, baby.
Alright. I don't know if it'll start in second.
You'll find out real fast. It'll tell you. It says on there.
It says do, yeah, but I don't know if that means it's starting in
Just
second.
where it's I don't know either.
My God. Maybe I should put it in fourth.
You'll need some action cap. He went in between the
No,
two
you
trees.
did not. Oh my God, where? Over there?
No.
I cannot turn, dude. It has to look terrible.
Did you see where you scooped in the grass up and your
did I?
when you're wheeling shit?
All right, check out these tire tracks right here. Matt just jumped through the trees. I think Mike got it on camera. I'm gonna go back and see. That is savage, dude. All the way right here. You almost smoked that one, dude. Oh my God.
I did not mean to do that. That's the bad thing.
Is my rear locked or something? Is that what that is?
Oh yeah, it is.
That feels horrible.
Yeah, mine just did that.
Dude, I thought you blew your rear end up like.
Yeah, I know. Well, I think it's the traction bars that makes that noise too. Dude, that was savage. Oh my God. Dude, that was savage.
Enough of that. Holy smokes.
I might need to try that.
Don't try that.
Why?
You can.
We're gonna see what happens.
You got it in first. Maybe I'll put it in second.
That's savage. That's sweet. It'll burn the rubber. All right, guys, we got some cyclones going in the Chevy. Actually, Matt was a savage on limiter, jumped through some trees. Hopefully you guys like this video. Give it a like, thumbs up, subscribe down below. We'll catch you in the next one.